Hello, my friends. I am Hondo Onaka, and this is Onaka Transport Solutions. Today, I am offering the opportunity of a lifetime. I need flight crews to transport this valuable merchandise across the galaxy. Pilots to navigate, engineers to operate the ship, and gunners to defend the shipments. And that is where you come in. Voila! The Millennium Falcon, the fastest ship in the galaxy. Speed makes profit. Chewbacca by 5 red. Yes, as we discussed. You can leave the ship here. The spaceport has plenty of room. Especially for the Falcon. What? No, it is perfectly safe. Okay, time to go, so, bye-bye. I found you the perfect ship. Move along, my friends. Listen carefully and remember, the better you work together, the more you earn. Your lives and my profit depend on it. Now go. You worry too much, R5. I would never send them any place dangerous. They might damage the ship. And them too. Yes, well, now, this is why I start my own company. To have ridiculous conversations with the fucking trash bin.
Listen up, crew. Our bounties are 2 Imperial officers and a pirate. Our goal is to capture them and collect any crates they're transporting. Thanks to Hondo's intel, we know they're on Tatooine. Grogu and I will meet you there.
Look!
Okay, friends, you have your mission. Capture the bounties, and engineers, you steal their crates. Now get the move on, and know that I have complete faith in you, mostly.
Here goes nothing.
Alright, flight crew, all bags off, seatbelts on.
Down and then to the side, okay? Up and down.
Okay, my friends, chase down those bounties. Engineers, grab crates from their ships. I can sell the crates, and we can split the profits. Now, get rendezvous with the Mandalorian on Tatooine. Right, pilot. Make the jump to hyperspace. And good luck.
This is the ship Hondo sends. Let's see what it can do. Hondo wants crates. Practice on them. Engineers, hit the flashing button to activate your traction beam. You're getting warmed up. Gunners, take out those guns. Focus up, gunners. Enough practice. You're ready. There's our bounties. Stay hidden while I think of a plan. Grogu, don't touch those buttons. I said don't touch. New plan. Catch one bounty. They're splitting up. Chase them down. Hit the buttons. Don't lose sight of them. We need to know where they're heading. Right, engineer, launch the homing beacons. Good work. We can only follow one. Bespin, Coruscant, or Endor. Right, engineer. Pick our destination. Fast. Coruscant, let's head out. Grogu, buckle up. Ladies and gentlemen. There's our bounty. Civilian traffic. Switching to ion cannon.
Hello, engineers. Remember your crates. These will
grab this Imperial officer. Backup is here. Public explains.
Copy that, leader.
Copy. Hit the boosters. Right, make the jump to light speed.
Press the flag here!
Mission complete. Yes, you can say hi to you and your friends.
Cargo crates unloading. Oh, well done, crew.
You've got some good smugglers here, Hondo.
Yes, yes. Hondo only hires the best.
Grogu and I will hand over the Imperial officer to the New Republic when they arrive. Say goodbye.
Goodbye.
Not you, Hondo. The kid.
Marauder.
I got more money than you.
Oh, wait, my friends. I'm afraid we have picked up a hitchhiker. R5, scan the exterior of the Falcon for life forms. You see, this happens sometimes when you travel through uncharted regions of the galaxy as much as I do. It is not unusual to find a Oh, looks like we are ready to unload.
That Coruscant traffic was crazy, y'all. Get out of that cargo, exit this way. I hope the people on those speeders you hit are okay. I hope.
All available techs, we have a Corellian freighter that needs immediate transport back to the maintenance bay. This thing has seen better days. Better.